I got it into my head to make myself a braided hairpiece for some easy and fun vintage hairstyles, so I grabbed a cheap hair extension and got started. After removing the wig clips from the extension, I rolled the top edge up like a jelly roll, spiraling each turn downward slightly to make a little taper at the end. I used a thick needle to sew it in place and was not particular about neatness, just security. Then I brushed the hair, pinned it to my ironing board, and started braiding. I wound up spritzing it with a little bit of hairspray for grip, but I still found it very tricky to keep the braid tight as I neared the end. I secured the end with a tiny rubber band and hot glued all the way around the band, as well as several spots between sections of the ends of the hair. A bit of a messy process. I trimmed away the excess hair, tapering it in toward the center, and applied lots more glue. It occurred to me later on in the day that I probably could have purchased a pre-braided hairpiece like this, and it would have been a neater, tighter braid. So, yeah. But I'd already made the video, so I'll show you my project anyway. I used my braid as a guide to cut 2 felt rectangles for covering the ends, then I wrapped and glued each end in place. I could have added elastic inside the felt ends at this point to make a full circle, but I decided to stitch wig clips on each end instead. I guess in doing it this way, you do have a lot more personalization opportunities than you do with the store-bought braid, so I'll take that as a win.